So it really is an incredibly cold day in February. I'm weeding my way through this flower bed, but I have something on my mind I really want to show you. Bellis perrenis. So yes, the common daisy, Bellis perrenis. Now, do not underestimate these little things because these actually pack quite a punch, both medicinally and nutritionally. So Bellis means pretty, perrenis means everlasting. They're members of the aster family, Asteraceae. Anybody? Yes, so sunflowers. So sunflowers are a cousin, and just like sunflowers, they are heliotropic. So they follow the sun during the day, and daisies are a little bit like water lilies or osteospermum, will close up their petals for the night. Daisy comes from day's eye. Even Chaucer noticed this and referred to them as eyes of the day. Other names are woundwort and bruisewort. Bruisewort, I think, is the best name as it refers to its anti-inflammatory properties. Has been used for a long time to get rid of bruises, much better than arnica. And if you make it into a tea or a tonic, not only is it nutrient dense, but also will get rid of your cough. Very edible, although the mature leaves become a little bit meh with the astringency. Baby leaves are very tasty, and the flowers, apart from making daisy chains, are very, very pretty in a salad. So yes, the very much underestimated, they're very much unnoticed sometimes, and they're very much trodden on, Bellis perrenis.